Step 1. Start saving early. It's never too early to start saving money. Make it a priority to set aside a portion of your income each month. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income for long-term goals like retirement or buying a home. By starting early, you can take advantage of compounding interest and watch your savings grow over time. Now, let's move on to step 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget allows you to track your income and expenses, ensuring that you're living within your means. Start by listing your monthly income and then allocate specific amounts for necessary expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. Set limits on discretionary spending and avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, a well-planned budget is the foundation of financial success. Step 3. Invest in yourself and your education. Your 20s are a great time to invest in your personal and professional development. Pursue higher education or vocational training that aligns with your career goals. Acquire new skills and stay updated in your industry. By investing in yourself, you'll increase your earning potential and open doors to better opportunities. Now, let's discuss step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans, can hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debts strategically. By eliminating high-interest debt, you'll free up more of your income for saving and investing. Moving on to step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely solely on a single source of income. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or investment opportunities to diversify your income streams. This not only increases your earning potential but also provides a safety net in case one income source dries up. By building multiple streams of income, you'll have more financial stability and flexibility. Step 6. Invest for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. Start investing early, even if it's a small amount. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for long-term growth. Be consistent, diversify your investments, and stay informed about the market. Over time, your investments can grow significantly. Lastly, step 7. Seek knowledge and learn from others. Surround yourself with mentors and successful individuals who can guide you on your wealth-building journey. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial resources to expand your knowledge. Learn from the experiences and insights of others who have achieved financial success.